What does the ram air intake actually sound like? Right, so I've put the mic in the engine So yeah, that was the ram air intake. Sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good, I must say.